is crazy. I'm on the go. I don't have time to stop and take it slow.
We're here at Infineon Raceway, and it's a great day. Sunny, no clouds. I'm going to hand you some headphones, and we're going to play some noises for you.
Fan clutch going bad.
Loose muffler or something.
Sounds like my old truck.
Sounds like it blew an air hose.
That's obviously someone crashing into something.
Okay.
Yeah.
That probably wasn't recorded in our shop.
Wow.
That was a crash there.
Sideshow ending in a crash.
Hey, there you go. All right, we have another one. You ready?
Okay. Oh, honey.
Wow, you can dance to this. Nice music. Yeah.
It's not the sound a car makes.
Is that a beat you could dance to? Yes, it is.
That sounds like a lion.
Sometimes.
Sounds like my man's stomach.
What are you feeding that boy?
I got a guy, tell him I sent you. When you need a guy you trust that everyone knows, he's double A.